Hi everyone, hi Scorpios, welcome to a soul tarot prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to enroll for our 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to support my channel with the help of donation via PayPal and Google Pay, you can donate. The fourth most important thing, guys, is that if you want to have a same day reading, I'm charging $200 USD, okay, US dollars. Okay, so yeah, you can book for the same sessions emergency reading as well. Otherwise you need to book on a prior basis. Okay, so let's check it out, what's going on with you guys. Okay, Scorpios, sorry for being late for uploading. Okay, one important thing, guys, is that I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers and also kindly help us to hit 1000 subscribers, guys. Okay, so yes, so what are you going through currently? Okay, what are you going through currently in the month of October? October is a month for reconciliation for you. Okay, there's happiness, celebration there, and some of you are dealing with third party situation as well. The people who were into separation, they will be reconciling, reuniting with their partner, but most of you are dealing with a third party situation. Okay, and happiness, joyous moments are there. Okay, so yes. Okay, so what you need to do to check out to the situation, what you need to, if you focus on your present plan, what will be your likely outcome? Wait, guys, my card flipped. Okay, so there is an offer of love message is coming towards you in the month of October, guys, and for few of you who are single, a love might enter into your life. Okay, next question. One card related to health, career and relationship. 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 Okay, wow, so your health, career and relationship is okay. Someone might be taking action to move towards your partner, and or else you will be taking an action towards moving towards your victorious life of career, and there will be success there is success on the horizon for you. Maybe November and December will be good for you when it comes to money related stuff. Okay, so yes, so what your partner thinks about you, what your partner thinks about you. Your partner thinks about you that you are a devil. Okay, like someone like your partner thinks about you that you are obsessed with them. Okay, or they are you are obsessed with them. That's what they think about you. Okay, sorry, but yes, that is what I'm seeing. Okay, for most of you. Okay, next there might be few third party situation or negative energy as well around your partner. Okay, that's what I am picking up with the spiritual messages. Okay, so yes, next question. What you need to do to improvise this situation? What you need to do to improvise this situation? Okay, so you have to take an action towards moving forward, whether it's career or relationship, because I'm talking about situationship, so it can relate to either career or relationship. Okay, so you need to take an action towards moving forward, and once you do that, there are a lot of new opportunities waiting for you on the horizon. Okay, a lot of money related stuff, whatever blockages you were having when it comes to your financial life, materialistic world, those will be solving, and a clear cut situation is about to happen when it comes to financial abundance, gaining financial abundance. Okay, lot of opportunities I'm picking up. Okay, so let's check it out, what you need to focus on from now. What you need to focus on from now. What you need to focus on from now. Okay, you need to focus on yourself. Self-love and self-care should be your utmost priority. What are your hopes and fears? What are your hopes and fears? Your hope and fear is instability. Okay, so you are fearing when it comes to materialistic world, whether you need to, whether you will be stable when it comes to your materialistic world or not, whether you are going to get settled down or not financially, whether you are going to be independent or not. You are losing, your fear is that you don't want to lose your independent financial life. Okay, and your hope is that one day you can become successful. Like after 9 months there is financial growth is coming. I'm picking up after 9 months, between 1 month to 9 months, there is financial abundance on the horizon. Independent financial abundance is on the horizon for sure. Okay, so that is your hope, that you want to become an independent single energy when it comes to your financial stability, and that's a very good energy I am picking up on. Okay, so what are your outcome? What is your outcome for the October month? What is your outcome? Sorry guys, what is your outcome? There is no corona. Okay, so I'm just saying that it's just a normal thing. Okay, so your outcome is that you will be concerned about some things, okay, into your life. Okay, or you might be dealing with a water energy, another water energy, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Okay, so yes, and if two people were in separation, they are coming together. Okay, reconciling, reuniting. If you are single, a new person might enter into your life, or else you might take an action to move forward in life. Once you start taking an action towards moving forward, there's a spiritual connection waiting for you. Okay, like just release all the past, and reconciliation I'm picking up for few of you. New love might enter into your life. For others of you, financial growth and abundance are on the horizon. Beautiful, 3 different energies I'm picking up on. Okay, so take it whichever resonates with you. Okay, because this is general energy. Okay, so let's check it out, what's going on with you. Okay, the first card, control. You think that some things are not in control of you. Okay, like you feel bad and concerned about it, that few things are not in control for you. That's the problem. Okay, you are just being patient enough. Okay, for few of you, for Scorpio who are females, feminines who are Scorpio, only 10% or 5% of the people are are about to go, might hear a good news when it comes to child, might be pregnant or might give birth to a child. Okay, so yes, that is for 5 to 10% of the feminines over there. Okay, you are just being patient enough. Okay, patience. You're just patiently waiting for some results to come. Okay, so yeah. Okay, okay, okay. So a lot of sharing and caring is on the horizon. You are going to participate in different things. Okay, so yes, that's what I'm picking up on. Okay, you'll be focusing more on your stability when it comes to financial independence in the month of October. Okay, okay, you are sad, depressed, worried and anxiety. You have you are thinking about something. You are thinking about your wish fulfillment, which is not happening. Okay, so yeah, a lot of sorrows are there. You have some sad energies as well, but do not worry, wish is about to get fulfilled, and you are disappointed because your wishes are not coming true. That's the problem. Okay, so yeah, that is what I'm picking up. Okay, wait, I'm coming. Hello guys. Okay, sorry for the same. Okay, so let me pull out one card. Okay, this one. Okay, so the chariot is all about you are thinking to relocate. Some of you are thinking to shift somewhere, new place. Some of you might be thinking to explore new options, new life, new people, or new places. Okay, like some of you are thinking to travel. Okay, basically. So yeah, traveling might be on the horizon for you. Okay, so these are the two cards. Wow. So you are healing your heartbroken. If you were heartbroken, you are going through some spiritual healing. Okay, so that is beautiful. And definitely a new love is entering, or a past is coming into your life. Okay, past is coming into your life, and a new past is about to come into your life. Past is about to enter into your life. Okay, so that's what the healer of the ages. Okay, so you are healing your heartbroken. If you are heartbroken, you are healing. Okay, you are healing on a major level. Okay, so yes, that is one beautiful thing I'm picking up. And a past is coming for you, for some of you. And the second option is that a new person might enter into your life if you are single. Okay, so yes, and for some of you, past is re-entering into your life. That's a beautiful thing, guys. Okay, that's a beautiful thing. Okay, so I'm picking, I want this one and the next one. Let's check it out. What are the universal messages for you guys in the month of October? Okay, okay, I'll just pick up one because my hands are paining because I am shuffling. Okay, so this one. Okay, so yes, the first one is all about. Okay, so the first universal message for you guys: I create mindful moments throughout the day, reminding myself that I am love and miracles are natural. So yes, you are trusting yourself. If you are not, trust on the intuition level you have about yourself and with the universe. The second universal message: when I am in alignment with the love of the universe, peace cannot be disrupted. So you are in alignment with the universe, which is a beautiful thing. Okay, the third universal message: I recognize that I have chosen fear and I choose again, and if I have to choose again, I choose love. So yeah, if you are fearful about certain things, and if you get the chance again about things, certain things, okay, then you will choose your love. Okay, love of your life. So yes, the fourth universal message for the month of October is: in every moment, the universe is conspiring to bring me towards right minded thinking and the energy of love. So, love is all around. Into your reading, I am seeing a lot of love. Love is all around. Okay, so yeah, sorry guys. This one I am taking because this what I want. This is what my eyes on. Okay, so the gemstones for the month of October is Girasol quartz. Okay, Girasol Quartz. So you can Google it. Okay. Okay, so the message is: have you noticed that people and situations are reflecting your feelings or thoughts? Then the message is: pay attention to the messages these mirrors provide. Take stock of what work you need to do to improve your self-awareness and personal growth. Okay, your archangel for the month of October is Archangel Zadkiel, and his message for you is, I objectively observe myself in my interactions with others. I watch my words and actions from various perspectives. I work towards self improvement at every opportunity. I notice that mirrors and projections without judgment or preconceptions. Beautiful, beautiful message. So guys, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers and kindly hit the like, share and subscribe button. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.